Hey guys, how are you today? I am going to just quickly show you microfiber mascara tutorial. This is not a very new thing. It's been there for about a few years now, but I still like to use them. They come in a box like this, and they're like two bottles. One is a gel and one is a fiber. So what you're going to do is you're actually just going to basically apply the mascara, and then we put the fiber, and then we put the gel on top. You know what, I do this very often, and every time I do, I like to read it one more time, so I don't just do reverse the combination. So just to read it again anyhow. So I'm gonna use my mascara. I'm using from K Cosmetics. So as I like to use a lot of mascara, and I'm just gonna use like one layer right now. I'm just use K directly. This, you will see the difference in a second. So I've used K mascara right now on the eyes, and now I'm just going to use the gel to prepare to put the fiber, so the fibers stick on the mascara. There we go. And this is how the fibers look like. So you really have to be very slow with it and not rush it, because you don't want them to fall on your eyes. Just gonna take some of the brush. There we go. So I just went over it, and now I'm pretty much going back with the gel on top of it to lock the fibers. That's my daughter. There we go, there we go, there we go. So you see the difference on my lashes. They're quite dense, and I'm gonna just blend a little bit here. Just put like that. By the way, I just have a glitter gel on my eye today. There we go. Guys, if you can see the difference. And this particular mascara is quite heavy to put on my lower lashes, so I'm not going to use I'm using the one from Kiko, the thin side of it, just to go. There we go. So you see the difference, though my lashes are actually long, and then the camera anyways, you know, you end up seeing less. So I'm going to do the other end now. Sorry. Okay. So, using the K mascara again, and like 3 balls in my hand. This mascara is good if you have small lashes as well. So that's Stay mascara. I'm done with that. Just gonna go with the gel over it. There we go. Now I'm gonna do the fibers very gently, very slowly, just one layer of fiber. There's a lot on the brush, so just have to be careful. There we go. And I'm gonna use the gel again on top to lock it. And I'm using the not the K, sorry, the Kiko mascara brush to do my lower lashes. There we go. So, very lightly. So, this is how it is. The final thing. And you know, if I am, I want to make this more dramatic, I would actually use the lash curlers after my lash, the mascara is drying, and I'm just gonna press my lash, and it even goes high, and it looks like really long lashes. So there we go with this tutorial of using how to use the Fibre mascaras. As I said, they're not very new. They've been there for a long while, but they're still my favorite. They give the false lash effect, and I use the K mascara right now, but I've used it with like MAC, and I feel that when I use it with MAC, I'm out of stock because of the lockdown. I can't refill my MAC mascara as well. If I'm using it with MAC, I feel that it's a little more dense than even this. So once I have my hands on that, I'll do this tutorial again on how to use the Fibre mascara. So hope you guys are doing really good. Enjoy staying home, cooking, eating well, and see you guys soon. And please give your feedbacks and opinions and whatever you'd like to see, and if I can share that on my tutorials, I'd be really happy to do that. So all you guys there, do I have my teeth? No. So all you guys there, have a brilliant day. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.